don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Welcome to my fans onto TV. It's the Nedbank Cup, Kaizer Chiefs 2, Orlando Pirates 1. I'm joined by my brother Kamabanu Pumawopi.
Kodwa umkheze eCathoridge. Yeah. Sibo ngifisa ukubongela iKaizer Chiefs. Idlale kahle namhlanje. Ijabulisile. Emva kweminyaka ewu10. Ingane yami yaqala ukubona iChiefs iphakamise icup. So leyo nto ingijabulisa kakhulu. Too much. Yeah, iqiniso bethu ingijabulisa. History lebe soyiphisa la. Sayithatha icup la.
Moses
Mashamayede. Wayithatha la. Kubona laba. Sidla bona laba. Sidla laba. Namhlanje uyithathile uSmarties. Sidla bani? Bona laba. Ibona laba. Ngiyabona Sithibo. Igame ibe mnandi.
Man of the match uyiphaba liphuthe.
Ngale kokusupporta bengayinika utalent embathi.
Ukunika ukhondene lentwana lemfukeni ukunika
namhlanje
mina namhlanje ukunika I don't like defend and lamfana lo ukunika ndona la ama-criticism awatholile from ama supporters it's a big so njengamanje we deserve simnike credit la
yes
he worked very hard today and he was calm wayikhondena lentwana le
thank you my brother
game mina nginika ukunika ngoba
ngiyamuzwa my brother uthi ukunika bathi nambe ngisho indlela engibone ngakhona ayizwa leyo nto my brother
wewe uyibone ngakhona
wewe ngiyibona ngakhona yabo ngiyabonga Chris ngiyabonga
ngibongile